Hi friends, good evening to you all.
Continue your file.
Is it fine? Good evening again. Let's wait for a few more minutes so that all our friends can join. Hope the audio is better now, better today. Shrikant, could you tell me who all have joined?
4 people.
Who are all they? Who are all have joined? Hi Sudhaka. Hi Vijaya madam.
Puja Santosh.
Hi all. Maybe a few more seconds and we will begin the session today. Can we begin?
Shrikant கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் செய்யணும்.
Okay, we will wait for a few more seconds. People from Mumbai, I think all are safe. The rains have gone. Please send some rain here to Chennai. Can we begin? Let me know if I can begin the session. Shrikant, look at the comments if there are any comments. Can we begin?
Yes, go ahead.
All right, good evening all again. Hope you are all safe at home. Today I am going to teach you one of the easiest craft. So I am going to decorate these tiny dolls with the minimum available resources. So we are not going to look or run around for any of the items. Whatever the minimum items that we have at home, I am sure all of the craft people will have the items at home that I am going to show. So let us decorate these dolls, decorate as Radha and Krishna without stitching. So this I am sure all the you can engage all the kids at home by making them do these types of decorations. Can we move on? Okay, Shrikant, you can show the camera here. So let me know if the camera is clear. What are all the items? As I said, it is going to be the bare minimum requirement. These are tiny dolls. These are actually called as keychain dolls. So this will be available in any fancy store, platform shops or keychain stores. You will usually find a keychain attached along with these dolls, and you will find this for 25-30 rupees in any local markets. So these are almost 4 inches tall dolls. So I have this now, and I have glue. Any glue, if you have fabric glue, you can use fabric glue. I usually use this All Fix. This is also a Fevicol product. Use this. Some material, any designer material that you have at home. Some golden ball chain, little bit of stones, and the stone pearl and stone chain. Black wool. If you have this type of hair, you can use it. Otherwise, you can use the black wool. So these are the minimum requirements that we need. and a measuring tape. If you don't have a measuring tape, I will teach you how to take the measurement even without a measuring tape as well. So let us begin. And before that, are there any questions, Shrikant? So my husband is helping me in shooting the video today. So I'm not able to view the comments. If there are no questions, we can begin. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the unwanted items. The dress which is already there, I'm going to remove it. And this hair, it is very simple. I have seen many people struggling to remove this hair. You just need to pull this hair like this. Gently. It will come out. Hold the head and pull the hair like this. So even if you cut with the scissors, you will not get a neat finish. I am removing I have seen some of my craft people with the help of a hair dye, they color this hair, but somehow I don't, because it is already tiny, and if we start coloring this hair, it might damage the cute face. So what I generally do is I remove this golden color hair, but do not throw this hair. You can, when you make little old style dolls, you can use this hair. So let me first show you how to take the measurement. So the doll's height is 4 inches. I am going to teach you how to stitch a skirt. That is the first step. So from the tummy till the leg, so it is approximately 2 inches. I am going to take 2 inches because it is going to be a skirt. I am going to make it little flary. So 2 inches. So if you don't have a measuring tape, the general method of taking the measurement is any thread or a nada or anything that you have. Take the measurement like this from tummy to the feet portion. So take little extra, and this will be the measurement. So now I know it is going to be 2 inches. I'm going to remove all this. We will use this later. So I have this brocade material. You can use any blouse piece, synthetic material, satin or velvet, whatever the blouse material pieces that you have, you can use that. So I am going to make a round shape first. So we are not going to stitch a normal skirt because the flared skirt will not look good. The one that comes with pleats, right, that will not look good because it is very tiny. So I am going to teach you how to stitch a round skirt. So one portion, we know it is 2 inches. So I am just keeping 2 inches here. This is the basic mathematics that we have learned in school, right? So if you have a compass, you can keep the compass in the center portion, take 2 inches in the compass and put a round with the help of a chalk piece or a pencil. So I don't have compass. So with the help of just marker, I am going to measure, just give a small marking on all the 4 sides. You can do this for all the dolls also, any doll that with a flared umbrella type stitching, right? So you can do that. So I am going to cut along the marked area. So if you use a compass, and you will get a perfect round. So if you don't get a perfect round, don't worry, I am going to teach you another technique how to make it a perfect round. I am just going to see if it is right. Yes, it is fine. So it is actually not perfect, right? So what I am going to do is I am going to fold it like this, and one more fold, and this portion I am going to give a small U cut, right? And this portion again a small, very small cut is enough. So almost the circular piece is ready. So our skirt is ready now. Okay, let us make a blouse. It is not exactly a blouse because it is very small. I am going to use a thin piece. You can use contrast blouse also. I'm going to cut a small piece like this. And with the help of glue, I'm going to paste like this, one layer like this and one layer like this, which will make the blouse for the doll. So with the help of glue, in the meanwhile, are there any questions, Shrikant? Audio is clear, right? Okay. One side is done, the other side. Blouse is ready for. I'm going to make it little bigger, this cut. And I'm going to insert it from bottom. If you don't want the tummy to be visible, you can take the measurement little extra. I have taken only 2 inches. I'm going to make the tummy little visible to make it cute. So what I'm going to do is just apply glue and take small pleats and paste it. Take small pleats and you just need to paste it, that's it. So let it get dried. I'm just leaving it for a few minutes. Okay, if you want little bigger skirt, instead of 2 inches, take 2.5 inches. Fine, is it clear? This corner portion I am going to decorate it with stone or lace. That's the reason I am not going to. If you want, you can put a stitch here, because it is a no stitch. I'm just going to leave it like this and put some designer stones so that it adds beauty to the skirt. Are there any questions? No. Okay. Now let's tie a small pancha for Krishna doll. Let it get dry. All the waste cloth that you have, right, you can use that for decorating small dolls like this. All these dolls will be available. You need not run around to buy these dolls. It will be easily available in the market. So I'm just getting the cloth. It actually flew away because of the fan. So for the pancha again, the breadth of the pancha is going to be 2 inches again, because we know it is a standard size doll. So the breadth is 2 inches. Let's see length. So many of you ask me, how do I measure the length? I always prefer use a nada or a woolen cloth, whatever that you have at home, right? The pancha model, you know, I have uploaded many videos how to tie pancha. So whatever the model pancha, Just see, because not everybody is have learned tailoring. So even I have not learned tailoring. It is only by just seeing some product I try to replicate. So this is the first layer, right? So this is how we take the measurement for any pancha. I'm going to tie the typical wedding style, groom style pancha. So this is how the front portion will be, and this left side portion we are going to take it inside, and it is going to come like this. So let us see, this is the measurement. This is how we take the measurement for any doll. So don't wait for you need not learn all the tailoring techniques. This is more than enough for the dolls. So I have taken that. Let us see. The breadth we know, because this is how we measure the breadth, and this is how we measure the length of the pancha. So I am going to tell you how much I have taken. Almost 8.5 inches I have taken. Can we move on? Okay. I am going to apply glue first. People who have joined little late, I am teaching how to decorate this small Radha Krishna with the minimum items available at home. So let me show you the first step. This is the same pancha that I have video that I have already uploaded. I am going to use the same technique. I have applied glue, and the left side of the doll portion first and the right side of the portion second. This is the step 1, and the step 2 is left side of the doll, the material that is available, send it in between the legs, okay, and the front, let it get dried. What I usually do is I put a stitch here. This is a nose stitch. So I am taking pleats here. So take small pleats, neat pleats, and with the help of glue, you need to put glue in between also, because we are not stitching this. So this is how neat should be the front portion, which is more important. Okay, front side is ready. Is it visible, clear? Okay, let us do the same thing for the back side also. I am taking pleats here. I usually tie the pancha little loose. If you want the pancha to be tight and perfect, you instead of 8.5, you take 8 inches. Okay. The back portion also I am applying glue. I have taken neat pleats. Okay, pancha is ready. Alright, I am going to teach you how to make a jippa for this doll. Isn't it interesting, friends? Putting a small jippa for this doll. Those who don't know tailoring, you are going to learn jippa today. But do not try this on elders, please. This is only for dolls. How am I going to take a measurement? It's only finger measurement every time for me. Many people call me and ask me, Nisha, idukku size enna, idukku evlo podano. I tell them, okay, you send me the size of the doll. With the help of my hand, I will try and measure and tell you what is the measurement required. So, jippa, from here to here, right? Almost 1.5 inches. I'm going to take a little contrast material that I have here. So this is what we require for jippa.
Pancha can be tied for this. Pancha can be tied for
Pancha, yes, it is a real pancha. See, I have taken a small piece. Do you need the measurement? I will let you know the measurement. 4 inches length altogether, and almost 2 inches, right? This is for the jippa. I am going to fold it like this and fold it again, and in this corner, right, not the open corner, the closed corner, I am going to put a small cut, very small cut. So I am going to do some operation here and insert. Okay, now this portion, right, the extra portion, we need to take little extra. So sorry, hope you have seen the measurement. So I am going to cut this portion little here to give a shape for the hands. The neck portion, when you cut the neck portion, make a very small cut, otherwise that will not give, because it is going to be a boy doll, right? So it will not look good if it has got a bigger neck. What I am going to do is I am going to apply little glue here and just paste it. Okay, and this portion I am going to fold it so that you get that jippa look. I am not going to paste it fully, only this arm portion, what do you call, the armhole portion, right? Only there I am going to put gum, and follow the same method for both the sides. Okay, jippa is ready for Krishna. Okay, let it dry, and once it dries, I am going to fold this portion. It just take few seconds. You can use any glue that you have at home. Okay, fold, and jippa and pancha is ready. Apply, if you cannot stitch the corner portion, what you can do is apply gum and then just do like this so that the thread won't come out. Jippa and pancha is ready. Okay, now let's quickly get into the decoration. Are there any questions or
How to measure pancha?
How to measure pancha? Let me show you with the help of thread. Right? Do not, before cutting, you know the style of draping the pancha, right? So let us take a doll with the help of thread or a nada. Right? The right side portion, and take like this, right? And bring this portion to the front. And this portion, this is the portion that we are going to fold it like this and put the pleats here. Is it clear? Because the doll is very small, I think my hand is covering the action. Is it clear? So this is how the front is going to be. The same method we are going to take this. We need to take this left side between the legs and here, like this. Close it like this. So this will be the total length of the material that you need for this doll. Is it clear? Okay. It is very simple. You just need to know that how to tie a pancha. Just see that video I have uploaded. You just see that video. That will make you understand or help you in tying different styles of pancha. Okay, I have, now let's decorate the head portion. I have this type of hair. Don't worry if you don't have this available. Just use wool, black wool. So I'm going to spread this a little. This wavy hair, do not pull this hair so much. This waviness will go off. So slightly, gently pull this hair so that the waviness stays there. So this is the one. I'm going to apply glue and spread it. I'm going to paste like this. If you want a center partition, begin from the center. So gently, without pulling, we need to paste this hair. If you pull this hair, this might get damaged. I've just covered the head portion first. Okay, you can put 2 ponytails, right? Make small ponytails. Take a small piece of ponytail, and you can put 2 ponytails also, like this. Cut this portion here. Now I'm going to like Radha, how you can put a plate also. The decoration is completely your decision. Okay, same method I'm going to attach hair for Krishna also.
If someone wants materials, do you have these dolls, etc.?
Yes, I can supply the dolls. You can WhatsApp me. Dolls, any type, most of the types of dolls that I am doing, I can supply. I can supply hair also, except jewels, and as of now I am not supplying jewels and fabric. Dolls and other items, all the dolls that I have, I can supply. I'm also teaching. You can learn the doll making through YouTube channel. It is completely free, those who are passionate. And if you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me anytime. This is something that I tell every time. Do not call me, because most of the times I will be busy, because this is my passion, and it has been to you. Krishna is ready, Radha is ready. So for Radha, I'm going to attach a small hair here and planning to bring it to the front, like how you have the hair loose for Meera style dolls, right? So if you want, we can put a plate also, but I am going to leave it loose. Radha is ready, Krishna. Oh my god, sorry. So let's put a small Krishna Kondai. Okay, Krishna is ready. How to put a Kondai? There is video again, but now I'm going to show you. I'm going to just take few rolls of this black wool. Take it out and then fold it and again roll it. And make a small ball shape, like a ball shaped roll. Got the ball, just roll it. I made a very small one for Krishna, and I am going to, with the help of glue, I am going to paste it here. Let it get dried and then we can decorate. Okay, now I have the decoration items. So take a measurement, just try keeping like this and see how much is required before cutting. So these type of chains, stone chains, right? It is, you don't need a scissors, you just twist and this comes out. With the help of glue, you can decorate the forehead. Stone chain or ball chain or whatever you have at home, with that you can decorate. And I'm going to use this for earring. Just to take two pieces. If you don't have, don't worry, the same stone chain that you have or the golden ball chain you have, you can take small two pieces and help of glue you can paste it here. So one technique is always if when you want to do the earring, put the glue along with the hair. Otherwise there are possibilities that this could come out because the face is very small and you will not find it will come out after once it gets dried. So if you paste it along with the hair, it will stay forever. And let's do some decoration for Krishna. I'm going to put this ball chain around this kondai. Take the measurement first and then cut. Okay. And same earring I'm going to put for Krishna also. Let's do some more decoration. When it is coming to decoration for Radha and Krishna, there is no limit. You don't feel like it is done at all, and I feel like adding something more and more and more, and I don't get satisfied till I feel okay, there is no more space to add jewels. Till then I keep on adding jewels. So with the help of ball chain, this golden ball chain, I have added a chain for Krishna. Okay. Let's do the same for Radha also. For Radha, it is better before adding the hair, you add the jewelry, because I have brought it to the front. Are there any questions? No. Okay. Okay, the decoration is almost done. We just need to add some bangles, and we are done with the decoration. It hardly takes half an hour. If you are a beginner, then you might take little longer time. So let's add some bangles. I'm going to use the ball chain again. Some of you would have seen these tiny dolls in a hair jada, hair plate. So I usually make these types of dolls and tie a rope around the waist and give it to the customers for decorating the jade. This is usually used during baby shower function or the 5th month pregnancy. Some people do that 5th month function. So for them they decorate the hair jada using small dolls. So you can decorate it as Radha Krishna, Murugan, Shiv Parvati, or even if you know the gender and then it is only Radha. So it is up to the customer's decision. And this stone, I'm going to add it here just to give some extra. As I said, I don't get satisfied at all when it is coming to decorating the dolls. You would have seen most of my dolls fully decorated. Madam, dress போட இடமே இல்லை, ஜுவல்ஸ் போட இடமே இல்லை, எங்கே போடுறீங்க இவ்வளோ ஜுவல்ஸ்? So my Krishna is ready. Now I am going to paint the eyes. So if you are a beginner, right, then you might find it little difficult. Practice in piece of paper before drawing the eyes. Always practice with a pencil and a paper and a piece of paper before you come to the doll, because once this is damaged and we might not it is not easy to remove this. Even with the help of acetone, if it is a permanent marker, you cannot remove the markings. I am only using normal. Many people ask me, how do you paint the eyes of the dolls? I use normal what pen is this? CD marker. Sorry, I forgot. Normal CD marker, red color, normal board marker, permanent marker. So these are the ones that I use. So gently shade. If you don't want to shade, you can leave it like that. So I am shading because I like the black eyes. Okay, and with the help of red marker, I am going to put a small U. And define the lips also. Make it little, you draw the curves, you bring a curve here, it will make the doll smile. And with the help of this permanent marker, I'm going to put some mehendi or nail polish. If you have paint at home, you can use the paint, the fabric paint or the acrylic paint. Let me add bangle. If you want, you can add anklets also for Radha. So let me add bangle, and I think we are almost done.
It gets smudged after some period. It gets smudged after some period.
Are you trying to say it gets smudged after some time? Then what you need to do, maybe it is the quality of the marker that you are using. I am using art line marker. This is Camlin. This is also art line. So it could be the quality of the marker that is making it smudge, or give a slighter layer, don't put a thick layer, so that even if it smudges, when you give a slight layer of painting, and then it will be helpful. Let me know what kind of marker that you are using. You ping me or WhatsApp me. Let me try asking my vendor what is the problem. It could be with the marker, or if it is a rubber face. So if it is a rubber doll, I have noticed in some of the rubber dolls, once you paint, it gets smudged. So for Radha, I am going to add some decoration to the hair. Not even a meter of ball chain or a stone chain, less than half a meter. I just had some few pieces of these items. With that itself, I have completed the decoration for these dolls. Let me add bangle for Radha. Are there any questions? If there are any questions, we will wait for a few more seconds. Rubber dolls, yeah. So that is the quality of the rubber dolls. So sometimes I have observed that rubber dolls, so try using a paint instead of a marker. Or if you are using a paint and it is getting smudged, then try using a marker. So this entire corner you can decorate, and you can add stripes here. That will add more beauty. The decoration piece is completely up to you. The more and more decoration that you do, the more and more beautiful the dolls are going to be. So this is the simplest, with the simplest or minimum available things, we have learned how to make Radha and Krishna. They have not used needle and thread, only with the help of glue. You can try this for little bigger dolls also. I have actually done for Pancha. If there are no needle, and you can try that. But if you are into a business, and if it is for bigger dolls, I would not recommend just pasting. You always stitch it. If it is smaller dolls, then it is fine. It will not come out. Are there any questions? Okay. We'll wait for a few more seconds, and in the meanwhile, I would like to thank all the members who have logged in today, who have been appreciating my work in the Facebook, WhatsApp, or through calls. I am here today because of all the friends, my well-wishers, my guru, Katyayani, Sudhaka, Vijaya madam. To make them stand on a base. Okay, if this is for a doll, right, if you want, there is a question that has come up. So if you want, this dolls will stand on its own. Otherwise, this comes with the shoes. 1 minute, let me just take the shoes. Okay, so these dolls come with these types of shoes. So don't remove the shoe. If you want them to stand, what you need to do is put the shoes, and with the help of glue, right now these dolls will stand. If there are other dolls like what I am selling, those chubby rubber dolls, those vinyl dolls, or the imported dolls, so these dolls will stand. There are no problems. This is fabric, so I cannot make it stand. Otherwise, these dolls will stand, no problem. Or you put a drop of glue and paste it. That's it. Or if you want them to stand permanently, use nail. But I don't know whether you will get very small nails, right? The legs are very tiny. So look at the legs. The feet is very tiny and might damage also. But these dolls will stand on its own. Okay, cost of the plain dolls, or what was the question? Is it a cost of the plain doll or a decorated doll? If it is a plain doll, you get it for 25-30 rupees. It depends. It used to be 25-30 rupees. Now because of the lockdown, I don't know how much they are going to increase.
How can we fix keychain as it is keychain dolls? They comes with the ring.
It comes with a ring. You want to, what was the question?
How can we fix keychain as it is keychain dolls?
If you are buying with the along with the keychains, right? Let the keychain be there, and you start decorating and give it as a gift. They can use it as a keychain holder or anything. So have I answered that? Was that a question? Or if you want to remove that keychain portion, and anyways we are going to close it with hair. We will wait for a few more minutes. So I will again take time to thank Vijaya madam and Andal. I think she is also the admin of this group. Sudhaka. The name list is very big. If I start telling the names, it is going to take another hour. So thank you all the people who have been supporting me and who are supporting me, who are helping me in each and every time when I upload my pictures. I get lots of motivation just by looking into the feedback and comment that we receive. So let us see if there are any more questions. You can. Okay, or if you think you got only dolls like this and you want to make it as a keychain doll, then
Rings are available.
Key rings are readily available. So you just need to insert it in the head portion with the help of hot glue gun or quick heavy bond or stronger glue materials, right? You can fix that and then decorate and give. Any questions? Do we have any more questions? We'll wait for 10 more seconds. Vijaya, so if there are no questions, maybe we'll wind off in 10 seconds. Okay, those people who have come in late. I am Nisha Srikanth. I am actually an entrepreneur. My business name is Sri Kolhapuri the Doll Factory. Basically, I am an IM graduate, and doll making is my passion. I left my ITES job to continue my passion in doll making, and I made this as a full-time job. So I run a small factory in Chennai, Nanganallur, and I have a team of 8 people who are working for me. So we make wedding dolls, jadai, puja day dolls, etc.
Looking forward for many more interesting sessions.
Yes. So let me know anything else that you would like to learn. WhatsApp me or inform through this group. Let me know. You want to have more live sessions like this, simple craft related items, anything relating to dolls, I'm there to help. So inform Vijaya. She will arrange for an online session like this, or if you want a recorded YouTube video sessions, that is also is possible. Whatever your feedback, please be open, and I'm always an open book, and those people who know me, I'm an open book. You can contact me for any questions. Thank you again for watching, and I really enjoyed this session. When it is coming to dolls, it is very close to my heart. So I enjoyed, and I'm sure you also enjoyed this session. And make beautiful dolls and upload in this group and share your thoughts and feedbacks. Thank you again. Stay safe.